Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can use Capcut Cloud Storage or Capcut Space to sync multiple devices. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Capcut application, and if you want to use the Capcut Cloud Storage or Capcut Space, first of all you have to log into your Capcut with your Google account or your social media account such as TikTok or Facebook. And here I have logged in with my TikTok account, and after we have logged into Capcut, we can click on this space button. Okay, and here we can upload our project to our Capcut Space or Capcut Cloud Storage. We can click on this plus button and then click on upload a draft or upload project. And here you can select a draft or project that you want to upload to your Capcut Space. And for example, I'm gonna go with this one. We can click on the project, then we can click on upload and click on backup. Okay, and now this project is being uploaded to my Capcut Space. And if you want to sync multiple devices, you have to log into another device with the same account that you have logged into this device. And after that, you will be able to sync your multiple devices. Alright guys, and that's how we can use Capcut Cloud Storage or Capcut Space. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.